It was a strong speech. It was well delivered. There were some interruptions, but she wasn't rattled. But now, of course, it's all about the follow-up.
I welcome her very robust comments about Israel. I very much welcome the measures that she's proposed. Obviously, it's now down to implementation, which really falls to the member states, the 27 member states of the European Union.
I think the thing we didn't expect today was the change in mood and the shift in policy on Palestine, which is very, very welcome. We've always stood square behind Ukraine. There's been a real delay to match those actions against Israel for the atrocities that we've seen over the last number of years. And so I think that's a very, very good move.
Really, really disappointed and I suppose angry as well in relation to her comments on the situation in Palestine. She doesn't seem to be willing to call it a genocide, which is exactly what it is. This talk about bringing measures and bringing proposals forward to the council, all this, talk is we need action in relation to this issue.